Hello everyone! Welcome back to Two Smart Cookies. My name is Paige.
My name is Lauren.
And today we are bringing you Cajun Chicken Pasta.
Oh, I love pasta.
So do I. It's so easy as well and it's just delicious.
And you can store it, you can reheat it.
And we're going to show you how to make that Cajun spice mix using a few simple spices.
Or, if you're lazy, you could just go and buy some Cajun seasoning from the shop.
I have seen it in Asda, seen it in Aldi.
You pretty much sell it everywhere.
Yeah,
now.
it's very simple, but today we're going to show you how to do it from the common herbs that you might even have already in your cupboard. Okay, to do this spice mix, you will need some cayenne pepper, paprika, garlic granules, thyme, onion granules, and oregano or oregano. Okay, we're literally just gonna go for it. We've got a bunch of chicken here. I need to make sure I've got enough spices to go around that chicken, so I'm just gonna, and always keep a little bit for later. Just going all in. I'm gonna do roughly about an even amount of each. I don't want as much cayenne pepper though. I don't want it massively spicy. I don't want it taking my lips off later.
I'll take your lips off later if you want.
Okay, get those in. A bit of extra garlic because who doesn't love garlic?
So far we've got cayenne pepper, paprika, garlic.
Thyme's gone in there.
Thyme.
Some oregano. And onion granules is the fight. I got confused there because it looks the same as the
Smells incredible.
I love onion granules. Okay, I'm gonna grab a little spoon and give that a mixy mix. Oh, the smell of that. Can I just say that smell is gorgeous. Right, and we're gonna get that seasoning. I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit, let Lauren mix it, and add a little bit more. If you don't have enough seasoning in your bowl, you just see it's really easy to make. Just make a little bit more up.
Yeah, it's no big deal,
Simple.
is it?
Ready?
I think we might have enough here.
I think we do have enough.
If not, you can just add as you go.
Yeah.
You can even add a little bit in the pasta sauce while it's cooking. And to let that simmer down a little bit.
Yeah, let me put so I can see that. And then I've got a little bit more left just to go round. I think
we're all right, aren't we?
I think we're ideal.
And pop that last bit in. Fabulous. Lovely.
Do you know what I was going to do? My usual and throw it, and then I realised it was a ceramic bowl. It would have just smashed.
Yeah.
Okay, give that a little mixy moo.
Mix this?
Yeah, but extra mix. Okay, and we're going to leave that to marinate for 10 minutes. Wash our hands. Let's go.
Pepper. Green.
Okay. We're going to get the pasta on as well while that chicken is marinated. 75 grams of pasta is recommended per person. I did do that little bit extra because I'm greedy. And we're going to fill this up with a little bit of water and get that on the hob. Do you know I've got a fun fact about peppers? Do you know the seeds?
Yeah.
These little bad boy things here.
Don't tell us you can plant them and they'll grow peppers in your garden.
Yeah, but
How did I know that?
But the best thing to do, and I learned this off somebody recently.
Was it Dad by any chance?
Maybe. But you've got to wrap them up in a bit of like a kitchen roll. Put them in there, leave them in the sun, so by the window. Let them dry out, and if you plant them, apparently they grow really good peppers.
I might have to try that sometime.
I've got my pepper seeds there ready.
Yeah.
I might even take some of these to save us the faff on later.
Right, there you go then. Look, I've kept you 4. They're just on that chopping board there. We'll get them in your bargain.
I've not got any more than 4. Oh wait, look at there's loads in there.
That's for my pepper garden, not yours.
How many peppers do you want to grow like? I can use the pasta bowl. It's only had dry pasta in, put the green ends in there.
We've made enough today for 3 portions.
Yeah.
There was a trick I learned on how to cut a pepper and I can't remember what it was. I feel like it might be this. I just want to try it and see if it works. No, it just looks like the Demogorgon from Stranger Things.
What's that dog that when they go? Do you know what I mean? In the movie, they sat in the washing machine
What?
and they go at the screen.
I've never seen that.
Use no.
I don't know what you're on about there.
They've got the washing machine, man, and Joyce comes in. Is it Joyce? What you call her?
Joyce Wheeler.
No, the other one. You know who I'm on about, don't you? Do you know who I'm on about?
Are you on Stranger Things?
Yeah,
Still on
Stranger Things. The one that was in the hospital, man, the blonde one. I can't remember her name.
Oh, yes.
It is something Wheeler.
Nancy's mum. Karen.
Karen Wheeler, that's the
Karen
one.
Wheeler.
And she's about to get the bomb thing, she puts it in the washing machine and it's floating around and the dogs come over, don't they? Them demo
I
dogs.
don't know what you're wanting about
And they
there.
go at the screen.
I thought you were wanting about like an advert or something.
No, oh, it made me feel so sorry on them.
That is one of the best series ever.
Yeah, it is. They're massive long peppers. Can we cut them in half, please? I don't want that long peppers like that crunching between my teeth in my pasta.
Right?
That's better. I think you got a bit carried away.
I did. I thought it would trick you. So, how long it took for you to notice? Obviously not very long.
No. I love the red peppers. There you go.
No, pepper in me eye. I've never had that before. Have you?
Yes. It's not a fun experience.
Right, our beautiful mixed peppers, excluding the yellow, is in a lovely little bowl there. So we're now going to just get started dicing an onion.
Well, she's dicing that onion. I'm ready now, I think, to pop that chicken on. So let's heat that oil up. I'm going to turn it right down as well. I want that simmering. I do not want red hot burnt chicken. Because for some reason, this is actually quite powerful. It's more powerful than what you think.
I don't want the onion too small because it is going to boil down quite a bit when it's boiling with the pasta. So I'm leaving it just slightly chunky. Not too chunky though. But I think that should be enough. Anyway.
Aroma! That chicken is nearly done. We are going to pop those peppers in and get them onions in and the garlic. Naturally, I'm going to shove the garlic in first. Are you ready? Woo! Get that garlic in there. Whilst those onions and peppers are infusing in that chicken, we are going to drain that pasta ready just to whack it all in. And there is our creamy pasta. I can't wait to dive in.
It smells nice.
Oh, it smells so good. Ready to ching?
I can smell the peppers very strong. It's very nice. The pepper.
Oh, that's very tasty.
The peppers have still got a little bit of a crunch, so it's not too soft. I feel like you can taste them more.
Yeah. I'm gonna cut off and try a little bit of that chicken, if I can get it. Can I get it because of the pasta and the bowl? Ready?
Nice.
Because we've left it marinade, them flavours are really coming through.
You've got to leave your chicken to marinate, like.
And if you like it a bit more spicy like I do, I would have put a little bit more cayenne pepper in.
And if you do want to enhance your flavours a little bit more, you're better off leaving that chicken in the fridge overnight just so it can soak up all those seasonings.
I mean that.
But that's incredible.
That's like real comfort
Yeah,
food.
it's lovely. You can just, I mean, it's a type of food you come in from work to make.
Yeah.
You could store it in your fridge.
I was going to say, like you could meal prep it. That with, I think, a little bit of like salad would be,
yeah, if you count your calories, you could make a low-calorie version of that. Maybe substitute the double cream for a low-fat yogurt or something.
100%.
So there's plenty of options.
Low-fat cream cheese.
Yeah.
Would work really well.
If you're vegan, you just take the chicken out.
Simple.
Simple. So what do you rate it on a scale of 1 to Cajun?
1 occasion, 10.
Yeah.
Occasion
I'm going to
10.
give it a 10. I'm not really a pasta person, but
I say I love
that
pasta.
one's pretty strong on the
Yeah.
scale. So
Absolutely
well
beautiful.
done. There's a pat on the back then.
It's me that needs the pat on the back. Okay, and that has been it for 2 Smart Cookies. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please give us a like, comment and subscribe, and hit that notification button to see when we next post.
And if you have any other suggestions on what we can make next, please do leave them in the comments down below and we will get to them as soon as possible.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye-bye.